Good morning students. Today our topic is sterilization. Sterilization in under microbiology. So what is sterilization? The process of killing all microorganisms and their spores, that is called sterilization. Sterilization there is having some terminologies under the sterilization. So I explain this. First one is sepsis. So what is sepsis? A systematic response to infection, that is called sepsis. And what is asepsis? So asepsis, a condition free from germs and infection, that is called asepsis. So what is bactericidal? A substance which are able to kill bacteria, that is called bactericidal. And what is bacteriostasis? The bacteriostasis, inhibiting bacteria growth without killing them. Okay, that is called bacteriostasis. So next one is types of sterilization. Are method of sterilization. First one is physical method of sterilization and second one is chemical method of sterilization. First one is physical method of sterilization. I deal about the physical method of sterilization. Physical method of sterilization under the filtration, heat, sunlight, radiation, ultrasonic vibration, that is the types of physical method of sterilization. So first one is filtration. What is filtration? This method used for sterilization of antibiotic solution, sterilization of blood product, serum sterilization, air filtration and water purification. इसका ड्रॉबैक क्या होता है? वायरस आर माइकोप्लाज्मा पास फ्रॉम फिल्टर. ओके, जो वायरस और माइकोप्लाज्मा होता है वो फिल्टर के द्वारा पास हो जाता है. Then second one is based on nature, the heat may be dry heat and moist heat. First one is dry heat. Red heat, flaming, incineration and hot air oven are most common techniques of sterilization by dry heat. Incineration is a best method used for rapidly destroying materials like soil dressings. Sterilization by hot air oven requires temperature of 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. The perfect dry materials like dressing powder, all glass, syringe, test tube, cotton swab, scalpel scissors, etc. should be sterile in hot air oven. And next one is moist heat. Moist heat, this method heat resistant bacteria and spores are not destroyed and their temperature of below 100 degrees Celsius. And next one is boiling. Boiling of needles and other instruments in water for 10 to 30 minutes insufficient to sterile because 50 to 70 degree of Celsius is sufficient to kill the vegetative forms of pathogens. Spores are not destroyed by boiling and their temperature above 100 degree Celsius. And next one is autoclave. Autoclave, among others, autoclave is the best method of sterilization because steam above 100 degree Celsius or saturated heat has a better killing and penetration power than dry heat. In autoclave, sterilizing materials is exposed to 121 degrees Celsius at 15 pound pressure for 15 to 20 minutes. There are three types of autoclave: simple iron jacket, low pressure or low temperature, and high pressure high vacuum. And third one is sunlight. Sunlight under the physical method. Ultraviolet rays of sunlight are bactericidal, so sunlight used for sterilization of water in tank, river or lakes. What is bactericidal? The bacteria who is responsible for killing of a substance which kill our bacteria, that is called bactericidal.